everyone, today this is my favorite snack, Coco Crunch. Look at that. This is so delicious. This. Coco Crunch. It's chocolate flavor. Buy this in buy this in CSI. Yes. I buy this in CSI. I'm from Philippines. But my God, I know how to speak English. Yeah. Bye bye guys.